Hi, it's Terri Gaines. I'm going to give you some assembly tips on creating this fun fold birthday card using a double-sided designer series paper. The designer series paper in this card is the Broadway bound specialty designer series paper, which is black with the gold foil. So black and white and the gold on the front. And when you open up this panel, you reveal another birthday print using multiple different colors. And I added a sentiment. You have another fold here, another message, more colors from the designer series paper. And the third panel reveals the final message. And it is also using the candle embellishments for the candles up on top. So a fun card to make. Let me show you how that is done. Start out with a postcard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I just went down 1/8 of an inch for my next layer. The Whisper White is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then the first piece of designer series paper I'm going to put on is the bottom one, which I actually added some design or basic black cardstock to the back of it. So this fold is going to be on the left side, and I have the dimensions here of the paper, the measurements. They are also on my blog. You can download a PDF file for that. So this first layer is going to be placed on, the bottom layer is placed on first, so I'm just going to line this up, and I went basically in 1/8 inch increments to get my layering. So then you'd open up this bottom fold, and then the third layer is going to go on next, and that's going to fold open on the right side. So we'll put our adhesive. I'm going to put this nail adhesive on the back of this. So on this one, I'm going to center it here, and I'm going to actually bring it down right to the bottom like so. And I don't think I have that centered very well, so we'll just shift that over a little bit, kind of eyeball that and place that. Then you open it up for the last panel of designer series paper, which the fold is going to be on the left. Put your double adhesive tape or snail on the back of that. And I'm going to look at this black and that black and get this and this about equal. But I also want to leave enough space to place the candles up on the top and open up this. I've pre-stamped the sentiments and also layered those onto the basic black. I'll start out by putting this one down first. Just center this. And this is a fun birthday card to send to somebody. And it is going to be fairly thick, so it will be some additional postage, so maybe it's one that you want to hand deliver. So let me just put all the sentiments into the card. And a couple last things for embellishments. So what we want to do on this card is use these candle embellishments. You get 24 in a package. We have 12 gold and 12 silver. The gold are perfect for this designer series paper. The silvers, there's a little bit of gray in this, but what I did is I took a really large permanent marker Sharpie and I colored the silver ones black. And so that will be perfect to use for your cards. So if you were to put one candle down, per card, that would be perfect. You would be able to make 24 cards. Less if you put more on there. So for video purposes, I'm just going to put one candle down. They have adhesive strips on there and about 9 inches of ribbon. I tied a bow, and we'll add the bow to that center section, that center panel, to just dress that up a little bit. And there we have our fun fold birthday card. You can use any designer series paper. I have another one here that I will put the dimensions on my blog, and this is using a different designer series paper, and this is a congratulations card and some flowers up at the top. So I hope you enjoyed creating with me. If you found my video via YouTube, go to the comments section for a direct link to my blog post where you'll find the supply list, measurements, and instructions for this project. There's a PDF you can download and a direct link to my Stampin' Up! Store to purchase the supplies. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed creating this project with me.